cooking aloo palak. This is spinach called palak. So I'm going to turn on, I'm going to have full flame right now, the fire will be full. And these are the ingredients: potato, aloo, garlic, lasan or thom in Punjabi. This is a fenugreek, which is methi, suki methi, which is a dry fenugreek. I just put it in the water to soak a little bit to take out all the dust. So here is a chopped onion, and this is cilantro, hara dhania, and the pyaz, which is the onion is a pyaz, potatoes, aloo. I cut it as red potato with skin. So here is a ginger, and then I have just 5 things here: pink salt, little bit red chili, not much because I'm not going to make spicy. This is cumin seed, is Zeera. This is garam masala. Garam masala is garam masala. So it made with 5, 6, actually 10, 12, 15 ingredients, different ingredients. This is turmeric, which is haldi powder, pisi haldi. There's a little bit oil I'm going to put it here. So the spinach, which is a palak, I use this one bag, full bag, but I chopped little bit. So otherwise these are the full leaves. So now fire is going on. I'm going to add everything together. So then it will go right here. So I will make very easy, everything goes together, and it will take 25 to 30 minutes when everything will be tender, potato and the spinach, and a little bit oil. 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. So now I will mix it, and then I will let it cook. So it's easy cooking actually. All of the common sense means it takes like a 25 to 35, could be 5 more minutes. But once water dries and oil will be separated from the vegetable, then automatically will be fried. Last 5 minutes will be a little bit fries with the same oil. I'm not going to add more oil. So water is enough. This is 1 full cup of water in there. Looks lot, but it is a big cup of one cup of water only. So now I'm going to cover it. At 25 minutes after, I'm going to check it. If it's tender everything, I will mix it in the same oil to like a fry style, and then it will be ready to serve or eat, whatever.